Hello YouTube, today I'm here with the Eureka powerline, and I'm here to see how well it performs and if this is the right type of vacuum for you. It comes with 5 carpet adjusting things that you set to the level of your carpet. When you get it, it'll come with a crevicing tool, an extension wand, and also a turbo brush and a dusting brush. And the dusting brush goes right here. The crevice tool goes inside the extension line, and the turbo brush goes on. Now I'm going to show you how well it performs on carpet and see if you like it. And also, it is 12 amps and comes with a 25-foot power cord. As you see, it did a great job, and it picked them all up with 1 or more or 2 or less passes. Now this vacuum has 1 filter. You remove the top lid from the canister. It's kind of generic, so I expect that. And also when it comes off, the filter is in here. Now to get back on, line them up. This vacuum is kind of generic because it's so cheap. And works good. If you're looking for a vacuum that will last you up to about 4 months, then this is the vacuum for you. But if you're looking for one that will last up to 10 years, then this is not for you. If you are looking for that, I'd prefer a Dyson or an Oura. Thank you.